Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I'll be sharing the secrets to achieving the most beautiful chrome nails, just like the pros do. Chrome nails have that futuristic metallic shine that looks just like a real chrome, and it's absolutely stunning. But to get that true chrome effect, there are a few key tricks you'll need to know. If your chrome nails always look patchy or never quite shine like a real chrome, then this video is for you. Watch until the end, and you'll be able to create chrome-like shine on your fingertips too. When it comes to chrome nails, the most important factor is the base surface. Take a look at these two images. Which one looks shinier? That's right, the one on the right has a more chrome-like reflection. The one on the left looks dull and scattered. This difference comes down to the shape of the nail surface. The right side shows a smooth curved finish, while the left side is bumpy and uneven. The most common mistake beginners make is skipping the step of smoothing the surface before applying the chrome powder. There are two main reasons your nail surface might be uneven. 1. Your natural nail has ridges or dents. Or 2. You've applied too much gel, causing it to pool and create bumps. If your natural nail is uneven, apply a thicker layer of base gel and flip your hand upside down. Let gravity help smooth the surface before curing. If your bumps are caused by gel pooling, the key is to apply very thin layers. Beginners tend to create gel pools near the tip of the nail because they accidentally lift the brush at the tip. To avoid this, pick up a small amount of gel and pull the brush all the way past the edge of the nail. This helps distribute the gel evenly without buildup at the tip. Also, flipping your nail upside down before curing helps level out the surface using gravity. Before rubbing in chrome powder, make sure your base is completely smooth. That's what gives your chrome nails a clean, professional finish. Start by creating a smooth and even base with a base coat. Then, apply a thin layer of color gel on top. And here's another important point. Before applying the chrome powder, always use a non-wipe top coat. Look at these two images. The right one has a non-wipe top coat cured before applying the chrome powder. The left one used a standard top coat that leaves a sticky layer after curing. The right one shines like a chrome, while the left looks cloudy. Why is that? Because the leftover sticky layer grabs the powder unevenly, making the finish look patchy. To get that true chrome shine, the powder needs to go on a smooth, residue-free surface. So after applying the color gel, use a non-wipe top coat, cure it completely, and make sure the surface feels smooth and residue-free before rubbing in the powder. This way, the powder spreads evenly and creates a mirror-like finish. Some people ask, can I just use a cleanser to wipe off the tacky layer before using the powder? The answer is, unfortunately, no. Wiping the sticky layer with a cleanser also interferes with how the powder sticks, and you won't get that chrome finish. That's why using a non-wipe top coat is a must for chrome nails. These days, Many brands offer non-wipe top coats made specifically for chrome powder, so be sure to check those out too. Once you've applied and cured the non-wipe top coat, rub in the chrome powder evenly all the way to the edges. Then finish with another layer of non-wipe top coat to seal it in. And you're done! Now you've got that flawless chrome-like surface just like a pro. I hope you'll try this out and enjoy creating beautiful chrome nails with a smooth, glossy finish. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.